Hey everybody, Tad Stevens with Evergreen Reviews here, doing a quick review on John Crestani's Affiliate Marketing 101 course. I've also included the modules in the course as well. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I've got a free 7-figure affiliate marketing checklist that I'll give you just for watching. So hang around for that. Any questions, let us know in the comments below this in YouTube. Or if you're not in YouTube, you're watching this someplace else, just send us an email to service@microsuccessful.com. And again, stick around the end of the video for the free 7-figure affiliate marketing checklist, and let's get going.
Hey guys, John Crestani here. I'll be your instructor, and congratulations and welcome to the course, Affiliate Marketing 101. Just wanted to give you a little preface in this video of an outline of what to expect as we go through the course, as well as let you know who this course is really for and what the outcome of everything is. The intention of this course is to give you the skills, give you the foundation and all the skills you need to become a successful affiliate marketer in today's day and age. We're gonna go through an exercise where we're gonna help you make your first dollars online and show you exactly how, step by step, to get your first checks coming in from affiliate marketing. So really exciting. It's really easy. It's easier than you think, but it's gonna be fun. So we're gonna have a lot of fun with this. Now, who this course is for, if you've enrolled in this course, you've probably already decided it's for you, but I just wanna let you know who I'm making this course for. This is an introduction. This is for people who maybe you haven't started an online business. Maybe you're frustrated with your corporate job, or you're frustrated with whatever you're currently trying to do to make money as an entrepreneur. There are all these tricks and all these fad businesses, and you want to have a business that is always going to be working, it's consistent, and just stands the test of time. Anybody on the internet that's on Google, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest are using affiliate marketing techniques, and I've been doing affiliate marketing since 2009 and continues to grow. That's who this course is for. Now, a little outline is we're gonna be going over a few things. First, we're gonna be going over goal setting. So, first thing is goal setting. The next thing we're gonna be going over is research. We're gonna be going over how to research and how to find your swipe file, how to define your market, how to figure out what the best approach is to marketing whatever it is you're gonna market, and know that your approach is going to work. The third section is going to be on data analysis, optimization, and then we're going to go over some stuff on copywriting. So, and data analysis is basically figuring out what works and doing more of it, and how to figure out what's not working and doing less of it. Now, if you're doing sales, marketing is very close to sales. In sales, if somebody's not buying, you kind of get a sense of when they're not interested in what you have to offer. But in marketing, you have to use data. That's why we're doing data analysis. And copywriting is understanding people's mindsets. Copywriting is understanding the psychology of what to write, what to say, what images to use, how to create ads or whatnot. And we're gonna be going over all of my techniques to doing that. Now, in the next video, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about my history in affiliate marketing so you guys understand who I am. Check out the next video and we'll go over it there.
So how was it? Let me know in the comments below. Send an email to service@microsuccessful.com. I'll post a link to the free 7-figure affiliate marketing checklist at the end of the video here in just a second. Plus, I'll also post a link to John's super affiliate system, which, full disclosure, I am a member of. I have purchased this. I use it every day, and I think it is an excellent course. So watch for those two links in just a second. Any questions? Let me know, and we'll see you on the inside.